So I told you, right, we did, let's see whether it will work or not. We did control A, control C, control V exactly. So send keys means what you will do first through actions call send me, passing a control V to perform action. Let's see whether it will work or not exactly, whether copy paste or not. Can you see it pasted address here, but it didn't paste this control. We did control A, control C, but it pasted only control V. It didn't pasted the value exactly. Just it pasted a string as a value. Why? Because here in order to perform these kind of scenarios, here if you see we are performing a modifier. Say if you see modifier key means control shift alt, these kind of things are all modifier key. In order to perform actions with the modifier key, you have to make use of a actions class. Here we are directly sending. It's if we didn't use any actions class here exactly, we directly make use of the keyboard. So that's the reason we what to call it takes as a single string actually. So let's say I will do same thing with respect to the actions class. Let's see. So first you identify those and pass. So write actions. So before that, I will tell you what it mean by keys down exactly. So keys down basically pressing the key. First we are pressing the key, right? Keys dot control. So you, in order to see how to press, first you have to make use of a keys down. Here again, it is a syntax you can see here. Actions dot keys down. See, this is a keys down is a press the key exactly. If you pressing control or something you are typing, right? A B C whatever that, for before typing that, first you have to do as a key down. Best keys down is a press key. One more method is a key up. Key up is a release key exactly. So if you press, you have to release, right? After pressing, if you click pressing, you will release, right? Same thing, keys up for a release, keys down for a press exactly, you remember. So same thing I'm doing here. Sorry. Okay. So actions keys down, first press the key control, then means control will pass the keys to here. Control first you pass, then what use the control A. First what it will do, control A, we have passed the control A to the here first. Then control A we have to do release, right? First you have to you pass control A, then you have to release the key. Control A did, now what to do, it selected all, then you have to perform the action. Now again what you have to do, right? Control C. First again you have to pass the keys down, you have to press control again, pass the control C, then release, press perform again. What okay, let's see, I did something. After that you have to press the tab in order to see here. So control A, control C, control V. First here you did control A, control D, then you press the tab, you cursor move to here, then you have to do control V. Controls we did. Now I will perform a tab exactly. After that what you have to do, again we have to press key control, then you have to what to call control. After that we have to press V, pressing control, then you have to release the key. Then this is the same action. After actions dot build perform, let's see now this will work or not exactly. Just same thing I did here. Can you guys see it copy pasted the value? If you see, I entered only here what to call current address only. For I didn't enter send keys here. Just I did copy paste here exactly. Nothing I did exactly. Any doubt here with respect to copy paste? So I, in order to simplify, I written to explain you actually. I make the what to call section. This entire thing you can write in a single statement also exactly. Means a 3 lines we have written right here. First send keys here only we can do directly. Just see I have written somewhere. Let's see. It is there. Some. Okay. Let's. So if you see here what I'm doing, right? Keys dot down, control A, then releasing key, then again control A, releasing key, build perform, again control C, releasing key, build perform. These, instead of writing here, I written a single line of a statement here. Like this also you can, if you write typing here, you will see here only, no need to worry here. You can see here. You first you understand a manual exactly how we are doing, same thing you're doing with the automation. Actions dot key down first, so key down, keys dot control, then continuous, you can write the continuous sequence statement. There is no send key sequence. So what you control A, right, you have to pass as a here control A, again right, you press, now you press the, you have to release. So how we have to release? Key up, release. So what you wanted to release, whichever key you press, you press the control key, so you have to release that keys dot control. So control, so control, so press the control, then you have to perform build. So this direct, you can write build or perform, build perform, you can write whichever way you want. In built anyhow it will call as a that function only. So like this for one nil what you call, one say sequence of what keyboard event, you can do write like this also. Second like C you can write, then control C, control A, control C, control V, same thing sequence statement you can write. Let's say same thing I will execute one more time, whether it will copy paste or not. So why I have written like that, to you to understand you guys exactly how we are performing that. That's the reason I segregated. You can write like this also. So just copy pasted same thing. You can make a sequence of a continuous keyboard interaction in that in one line also. So sometimes if you forget to release the key, you will get actions like illegal argument key exception, something like you will get exactly. So that's the reason it's always better to segregate like this, so that if you stuck somewhere, you can easily understood where it's not moving exactly. Key actions. Any doubt here with respect to how to do copy paste from one in through keyboard in Selenium? So yeah, we'll move to next topics. So assume that now there is again options called left arrow, right arrow. So if you, I'm pressing here what you call left arrow, I'm coming this left side, right arrow, I'm coming left side. If I press up, it's coming to here first line. If I press down, it is going end of the line. Up coming first line, down coming end of the line. Left arrow, if I clicking, it's coming cursor to the left. Right arrow coming cursor to the left. How we perform these kind of a scenario in Selenium? So there is again what you call methods are there, key up down, key right left. Actually through these key event sections we can perform this kind of a scenario. Let's say if I am having, might be okay, let's say okay. First what I'm doing, right, for I'm entering one text here. So I'm entering a text in current address. Where is mine? It's went I'll run directly. Entering the address and moving a cursor to the left side. Let's see how it will come. Arrow left doesn't work. Keys dot. Okay, this arrows doesn't work. Normal work. Sorry, keys up down. Let's say somewhere. Okay, I'll show you directly here. Okay, let's move here. There is a left key exactly. If you see press left key, it will move cursor to the left. Left. Can you guys see? It moved to the cursor to the left here. Now I will do keys left one here. Now I will do right exactly. Let's see. I will give some time. Then you can observe first it move to left. Then it will do right. For showing purpose, I giving some times here. In order to move right, you have to type as a just right. Nothing much here. For this actions class not required. Directly we can perform exactly on that particular web element exactly. Keys dot right. Can you see here right keys? Now first here by default it will be here. Now again it will come to left. Again it will come to right. You can see here. Sorry. See, it come to end exactly. Now I will press what you call up. If I press up, it will come. Again, after if I press down, it will come end. Up means the first line of the code. Down means end of the line code actually. We'll perform same thing with keyboard exactly. Right we did. Now we'll do up, then down. Same thing. This timing I want to show you guys exactly it's moving or not. Key up will perform, then down will see keys dot. You see up there is a one more key up. And here if you wanted to perform down, you can use make use of keys dot down. So see it's did exactly. You guys are able to see right how that cursor is moving from left, right, top, down. Yeah, that is a done with actually actions class. I think we are done with most of the keyboard events and most of the mouse events exactly through actions class. Any doubt to you guys have with respect to action class, please let me know exactly.
Yeah, sure, Ratnakar. We got only three sessions of recording, Ratnakar, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, actually.
Can you send me that those backups classes as well, along with the this one, so that we can practice in our test environments?
Yeah, I will send you one more class actually, which is we did recording for like radio buttons, what to call drop down. Those is there. I will upload those video also. I will send exactly. Then this today's and what to call day after yesterday's class also I will upload and send exactly. Three more videos pending to upload. Exactly, I will upload and send.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks,
If
thanks,
you guys
Ratnakar.
have any doubt also, please let me know. So we are done with actions class, how to do mouse and keyboard event actions. Exactly, we are done with respect to actions class. This is the way you
Okay.
can handle through. This actions class easy, but you have to know the this method, whatever the available method are there. There is, if you guys facing any difficulty to understand also, please let me know. I can explain one more thing with respect to syntax wise.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Okay, then tomorrow we'll see with start with a new actually test engineer. I think there is a one more concept. Now you guys handled how to do what to call web script. There is, for example, if we came to uh, what to call Windows pop-up, those kind of scenario, how we can handle that will teach in the last class exactly. That is, we have to use one third-party tool called Auto IT. So just that is there is nothing much to learn here. Just that is you have to record and playback. That is as Selenium doesn't provide exactly to this what to call Windows based application to pop up. So we have to use Auto IT tool, then record and playback that script, and we have to run those that script in our Selenium script exactly. That and there are some keyboard event actions also we can do perform. Same thing how these method are there. There is also some methods available through robot class. We can see at the end of the everything exactly. That is, or will possible tomorrow we'll say, or end of the class we'll see.
Okay. So tomorrow we are dealing with the test engineer framework.
Yeah, I'm feeling we can start with the test engine exactly. I'm feeling right. How we can write the test.
So only
The,
this framework you're teaching, like, are you going through the any hybrid frameworks as well?
no, no. This is first I will explaining you concept actually. I will write a framework, hybrid, exact actual framework how it will be in real time. I will write a framework. If you know concept, these concept only we are using in framework exactly.
Okay,
Everything,
okay.
yeah,
Yes.
how we have to use make use of this. If you know concept, right, you can just you should know where to place these concept in a Selenium what you call test cases exactly, instead of writing in what you call the single line of a code, single continuous way. So you have to make some what you call method functions there where we have to place, then where you have to call. If you know concept, it is easy to write framework. No need to worry. That's the reason first we are explaining a concept only, all concept. Same
Yeah,
thing
yeah, no
if you,
problem. Thanks.
at the end same entire thing will be clubbed with the framework exactly, whatever the concept learning here.
So in real time, like, if you are going through any experience, right?
Yeah.
So what are the companies will be expecting them to do? Whether they are, whether the companies will be expecting them to find the, to write the experts and those things, or they'll be expecting us to work on the framework.
No, see, first it depends on what you call experience to experience exactly. So if you are 2 to 4 years experience, they will in the interview also that give some web application, anything they will ask you to open Google something, search. They will tell, can you write a expert, or directly they will ask you what you like, how you handle alert pop-ups. These basics questions only you'll ask. Writing framework or
Okay.
dependent above 6+ years experience, they will ask exactly. You have to be able to write a framework or maintain a framework
Mhm.
like this above 6 till 4 years they won't ask actually, but still some startup those who are willing, they will expect everything to write from scratch.
No problem. Yeah.
Yeah,
Thanks,
so
Ratan.
yeah. So we'll wind up the class, it's already 8, so tomorrow we'll start again. Yep.
Okay. See you, Ratan. Bye.
Yeah, thanks all.